So, in this video, we will compute the sum of num, string, float, and int data types. So, this is the num string, the 50. Num float is 3.5 because this is have an decimal. So, num int is a 40. So, parang ano lang to guys, parang nag-a-add lang tayo nyan. So, num string equals float, num open parenthesis, num string, and close parenthesis. So, we will add them in sum all or sum. Ganun pa rin yan guys. Sum all equals num string plus num float plus num int. So, parang nag-a-add lang tayo nyan. So, print the sum of all number is comma sum all. So, sum all para ma-add yung num string, num float, at num int. So, we will run this. So, the output is the sum of all number is 93.5.